Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's take a look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that continues to blend practicality, reliability, and everyday comfort in a way that appeals to a wide range of drivers. Toyota has refined the Corolla Cross for 2026 with a few meaningful updates, making it an even more attractive option in the competitive crossover market. The design language of the 2026 Corolla Cross keeps things familiar yet modern. It's not aggressive or overly flashy, but it offers a clean, confident stance that feels just right. The front grille has been slightly redesigned to match the rest of Toyota's updated lineup, and the LED headlights are sleeker and more energy efficient. Subtle updates to the bumper and wheel designs help give the 2026 model a fresh look without stepping too far from the successful formula of previous years. Under the hood, Toyota gives you options. The base engine is still a 2.0-liter four-cylinder that produces around 169 horsepower. It's mated to a CVT transmission, offering smooth acceleration and solid fuel economy. Expect about 32 mpg combined, which is great for a crossover. But what really stands out is the available hybrid version. The hybrid Corolla Cross combines a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors, delivering up to 196 horsepower and well over 40 mpg combined. That's a big deal for folks looking to save at the pump without sacrificing utility. Inside the cabin, the Corolla Cross continues to prioritize functionality and comfort. The 2026 model introduces Toyota's updated infotainment system with a larger touchscreen, either 8 or 12.3 inches depending on the trim. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the graphics are sharp with an intuitive layout. Higher trims offer a premium sound system, wireless charging pad, and even a digital instrument cluster. Toyota hasn't skimped on interior quality either. While it's not a luxury SUV, the materials feel solid and the layout is straightforward. There's a good mix of soft-touch materials and durable plastics, especially where it matters most. Seating is spacious for a compact SUV, and the rear seats offer decent legroom for adults. The cargo area is another highlight, providing over 25 cubic feet of space behind the second row, with a wide opening and low-load floor for easy access. Safety remains a key focus for Toyota, and the 2026 Corolla Cross is equipped with the latest version of Toyota Safety Sense. That includes features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. It's all standard, which makes this SUV a smart choice for families and commuters alike. Driving the Corolla Cross is a relaxed experience. It's not sporty, but it's quiet, composed, and easy to handle. Whether you're commuting in the cool city or heading out on the highway, the ride comfort is impressive. The hybrid version also feels peppy around town thanks to the instant torque from the electric motors. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is a smart buy. It's reliable, efficient, and packed with features, all at a reasonable price. Toyota has once again delivered a crossover that makes sense for everyday life. If you're looking for a practical SUV that just works, this one deserves a spot on your list.